Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So today I'm going to show you how to change the clutch on a Husqvarna triple nickel 555. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the side plate here and your bar and chain. As you can see here, this is where our clutch is broke. There was a little piece of metal here, just like these ones, so that when it went, it's a centrifugal clutch, so the spinning of the engine creates force, and then it makes it go out, which then engages this, which makes the chain go. So what you have to do is use a piston stop and a special tool that goes in here, and it'll turn it off. So this is our special tool here. I have used it before. I'll leave it in the link below. So this particular one for this saw has 3 points. All the different saws are different, so there's a couple different tools to do them. But for this one, this is what we use, and then this is what the piston stop looks like. So we're going to put that in first before we try to turn this off. Otherwise the piston just turns, and we don't want that. So we're gonna have to take off the top cover here. Alright, and then we are going to remove the spark plug and put in the piston stop. Right now, while you got everything apart, is always a good idea to clean everything up. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to get the piston stop in, and we'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Oh, both of those are the wrong size, so we're going to go a little old school, where you just make sure the piston's all the way down, and then you push some rope in there, and then when you turn it, it locks it in place. So, next we're going to use this, and that goes right in there. Make sure the piston's locked in place with the rope, and then you just put a socket on there and turn it off. It goes counterclockwise. Now, let me see here. I think it goes clockwise to get off. Let me do it and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. So it is clockwise that you go. It says it right on the tool. Off, on. So here's the old clutch. There's where it's broke. Now's a good time to clean this all up while you're in there and it's off. And then next, we're going to be putting in the new clutch. So I'll leave a link in the comments below to the clutch kit and the tool there. So I'm going to get that cleaned up, and I'll get the new clutch in, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the new one in, and I was actually looking at it, and you can see where the old one broke was in one of these spots where it gets really thin, where the springs were. And when I looked this part up online, it said updated part number. And as you can see where the springs attach, it's much stronger. So that's good. I always like it when they fix stuff and make it better. So that's all you got to do if you want to replace the clutch on a Husqvarna triple nickel. I hope this helped you out. If you wanted to know how to do it, in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.